What's up, you guys? So today I'm so excited to show you guys what my dad bought for me yesterday at Best Buy. So story time. So what happened was me and my boyfriend DJ were already planning on buying a camera for a long time now. Actually, we're kind of like just short on money. We didn't have money for it. We finally decided like that we're gonna go buy my camera. Since it was my birthday on the 18th, I got birthday money from my grandma. I got birthday money from my aunties and my uncles. I was gonna throw down that money and DJ was gonna like help me pay half. But since I joined Beauty Counter, there's stuff that like I should buy so that way I can show to you guys. I was like, dang, like am I even gonna have money to be able to do that for you guys, to show something to you guys? And so I was just like really having a hard time and like debating.
I'm not even gonna have money after this, after buying my camera stuff. Like I don't even know how much it's gonna cost or which one I want.
And so I was just like, I'm gonna text my dad because I kind of needed his opinion. Do you think I should get a camera now? Like, I don't know what to do because I have this I need to think about, I need to have money for, I need this I need to have money for, like, whew. So it was so crazy because my dad was just like,
he said, get a camera, I'll pay for it.
And I was still like texting him. I was also having problems with my unemployment stuff, so like that was another thing that was stressing me out. And I was like, what? Like, are you serious?
He's like, yeah, I got the best one.
And like I literally started like tearing up. Like I was like, oh my freaking God, like wow, like I'm so blessed to have my dad in my life. I'm gonna start crying. I'm very lucky to have my dad, and I hope you watch this video, and I want you to know that I really appreciate you. And thank you so much for supporting me and supporting my dreams and just always being there for me. I really appreciate you so much, and I love you so much. I hope I like make it, and I want to say that I will, but like you know, you never know. But I'm just gonna manifest right now. So when I make it, Dad, like I promise you, like I got you. Like just be patient with me, please. I love you so much, and I appreciate you so much. Sorry, I don't want this to be like a crying video, but it is. Like I don't care. And then I texted her, like, do you want to go to Best Buy together? I was thinking in my head, like, I'm not just gonna buy a camera and then like go to you and like have you pay me back. He's like, oh, I'm out right now, but maybe later. So I was like, okay, find out, like whatever. He did his thing and then called me and we met up at Best Buy in Pro City. The worker there, Brian, he was so cool. Like he was very helpful. He knew what he was talking about. He told me to like drop off business cards to him, and like I thought that was so amazing. He's like, yeah, like if you have a business card, because I told him that I do makeup and I need a camera for makeup videos, like just like freelance. And he's like, oh, okay, cool. For how long? And I was like, about 4 years, I want to say. He's like, if you have a business card, come down and drop it off to me or drop it off to somebody over here, and then I can just go ahead and pass it out, because he's a photographer, he said. And he said that he might like need like a makeup artist or something someday, or he can like hook me up with some people. That was just very nice of him, and I might just go ahead and do that someday. I don't know, it's so weird how like when you just start talking to people, like you don't even know what opportunities there are out there. There's so many. You guys, I'm so sorry, I keep staring at my hair. I freaking hate how my hair is like that. Like it's so ugly and shame, and it makes me want to cry. Anyways, but yeah. Well, shout out to Brian. He was a super cool guy. Thank you so much. So let's go ahead and start small first. I had to get a USB card reader. This is an Apple one. So I had to get this because I have the 2019 MacBook. Yeah. I don't know like the name of the model, but yeah, it's a 2019 version of the Mac laptop. So I need this for my new goodies. This is gonna be good for me, so I can just go ahead and enter my SD card into the bottom part here, and then plug this into my laptop, and then I can just send my videos over to my laptop like right away. So this is gonna be fun to try and learn and play with. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this vlogger kit that my dad got for me from Sony. So basically what it is, it's like this stand, or like this kind of like selfie stick. So this is gonna be really cool, so I can go ahead and go outside and show you guys like what my makeup looks like in the lighting. That's also what Brian said, so shout out to you, Brian, for saying that to me, because that is true. Never really thought of that. I don't know why. That'll be fun. And what's cool about it is that like this is a kit, so it comes with this plus this little SD card. Do you see that? So like this is perfect for me. And it also comes with like a little baggie too, I guess like to store everything in. That's pretty cool to have. I'll show you guys the side of the box too. So this is what I could do, like see my like little selfie stick thing, and then it's also like a little stand. So that'll be good for me. Over here it says grip features. So wirelessly control your camera's zoom, capture, and record functions. C1 button on the grip recalls the paired camera's C1 custom button function.
Don't really know what that means,
but that's cool. It says fully enclosed, cable-free, grip design, keeps dust and moisture out. So that's good because we don't want that. I'm so excited to try everything. I can't wait. Okay, next. We're gonna go for the big dogs. So here, my dad also got me a Manfrotto, I think that's how you pronounce it. This is like a tripod stand. It says compact action smart tripod with joystick head and smartphone clamp. So I'll show you the box. So there's all the cool things I could do with it. I needed to get this because how I'm filming right now is I'm just using my iPhone 8 and I'm using my ring light. And I asked Brian if my ring light would be compatible with my camera to set it on top, and he said probably not. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna need a tripod also because this is how I usually do my videos. I'm gonna be sitting down doing my makeup, or I'm either gonna be doing somebody else's makeup. So I really needed a tripod to hold my camera up so I can capture what I'm doing.
Okay, so last but not least,
I saved the last and the best. So I saved the best for last. And you guys, this is the camera that I got. My dad went ahead and bought me the Sony digital camera ZV-1. But yeah, this is what the camera looks like. It also comes with a mic, that's why we got it. So it's Bluetooth, there's 4K, phase detection, real-time IAF, I don't know what that means, face appeal, bokeh switch, clear voice recording, microphone jack. That's super cool. I'm so excited to open this and try it out. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what my videos are gonna look like and my quality. And I hope that you guys appreciate the quality that I'm trying to provide for you guys. I'm very appreciative of my dad and so thankful and grateful and blessed that he's my dad and that he loves and supports me so much. Because I wouldn't be doing YouTube if it like weren't for my dad. Actually, yeah, like he's pushing me to like be better and to like do what I love. I love that so much. Like I appreciate that. I'm very lucky to have a dad that's able to get me all these things that I need for you guys, for me to film, for you guys, for me to do what I love to do. And what makes me happy and it's fun, like it gets kind of irritating and stressful editing every single day, but once you see the end product, like, it's so worth it to me. Sometimes I'm gonna be honest, like I get over it and I'm like I don't even watch my videos. I just post it and I'm like, okay, I'm done. It is a lot of work, but it's very rewarding when you get to see people liking your videos or commenting or like sharing it, reposting it. Yeah, it's very fun and it's an awesome feeling that you get. He did get me the best and he texted me and told me to get the best. All right, you guys, so I'm thinking that we should start off with my tripod. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, okay, cool, you guys. So it does come in like a bag. Wait, what is this? Okay, so I was like so confused when I seen this part, you guys. Because it kind of looks the same as my phone. I mean, as my ring light. Ooh, look, it comes in like a little bag. That's cool. It also has like this little, it's a strap. What? I can wear it like this? Oh, that's cool. All right.
so I gotta learn how to use this. I believe this is how we tighten it. So let's go ahead and do that. Ooh, this is cool. So I can move this any way. Okay, right here I believe this is, so to like lock it in place. What the heck, why is this thing look like that? Okay, that's cool.
Don't really know what that does yet. But I just want to mess with this first before I start putting my camera on top. What is this? I'm so confused. There's so many different like options. Like what? I'm really gonna have to read the manual on this one. This little thing. But yeah, so this is cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot wait to start filming. I'm doing somebody's makeup this week, that's for sure. That's for damn sure. Okay, so next, let's go ahead and open up this one. Okay, cool. So the little instructions is right here already. I think it stays there like that. Okay. We'll just leave it like that. What? It's a box inside of a box. What the hell? Or is this just a top? No, it's dead ass a box inside of this box. I'm tripping. That's so funny. What the heck?
Let's go ahead and open it up. What is this?
I get so scared like opening this kind of stuff up. I'm like, oh, I don't want to drop anything and break something already, because like I feel like I would do something like that. This is a little baggie. Awesome. Also comes with instructions or like a reference guide manual thing.
Oh, cool. It's like a little packet.
Wow, so cool. Ooh, and I can open this up and put it all kind of ways. That's so cool. I can't wait to play with this. Oh my gosh, and this feels like very good and like safe. Like,
Yes.
so right here it says photo, movie, lock, and this is that C1 button that I still don't know anything about. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with all of this. Ooh, and like feel so like legit.
Okay, let's put that to the side. Yay. Okay, wait.
Just kidding. I was about to open up my camera, but we're gonna save that for last, because we always save the best for last, don't we all? Let's go ahead and open this up, my USB. And also, you guys, before going into Best Buy, I did not do any research on like what I wanted, what I need, like none of that. Like I literally was just like,
I'm just gonna go there and there.
you know, like how everybody else does. This is the USB SD card thingamajigger.
Now, let's go ahead and open up our camera. You didn't see that. It's okay. It's fine. Oh, I'm so nervous.
Startup guide, I'm gonna have to go through that. It's a lot of learning I need to do. Okay, cool. So here's my charger. It's just like a regular Android charger, so that's good. We all have a lot of those. But here's my little mic. Cool.
That kind of scared me, you know, to be honest, when I opened it. Why is my lighting so all over the place? I'm so sorry, you guys.
Here's my battery. The moment of truth. My new camera. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, it feels so nice. And it feels very lightweight. I like that. Well, kinda. But it feels really good. Like it feels like plastic. Like, if that makes sense. Yeah, so this is my new camera, you guys. Let's go ahead and put the battery in. I want to play with it already. Oh yeah, so this camera does come with viewfinder. Oh, flip that over kind of too quick. Okay. So what Brian was saying was that like this camera is like really good, and it was cheaper than the Canon I had my mind on was the Canon G7X, because that's what like everybody has, you know what I mean? So it's like, oh, that's what I'm familiar with and that's what I know about. Barely know about. But yeah, so Brian was like, honestly, like there's Sony TVs, like Sony makes like a lot of cameras, and the Sony brand goes all the way back to, he wanted to say like around the 50s. So I was like, dang, like Sony's been out here. Quality is so good. I cannot wait to show you guys. Like, let's just put the battery in and let's get it started up.
Ah, it's turning on. Okay, here, so it says English. Okay, I have to set the area. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at all like the cities. Okay, wait, Hawaii. Boom. What is this? Daylight savings? And I don't understand that. Date and time. Okay, let's go ahead and set the date. Today is September 20, what? 6, I want to say? Let me check.
Okay, so it's about 107. Image edge, what is this? It's on, you guys.
Oh my god, it looks so beautiful.
Wait, hold on, like, let's do this. Hi. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna be talking to the camera instead of a phone. Like, what? Let me flip this out so I can see what the heck I look like.
Guys, it looks so beautiful. It looks like so magical. It's so pretty. Oh my god, wait, is it touchscreen? Can you guys see me? Hi. Don't mind my crap over there. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to film for you guys. It looks so beautiful, the quality. You guys, like, compared to this up here, like, yeah, iPhone 8 is, like, cool, but, like, this is, like, clean. Oh, you can see, like, my skin. You can see everything. And this camera does blur the background. Like, that's what's so cool about this camera as well. Like, he was like, yeah, so if you're going to be doing, like, videos and stuff like that, then it'd be really good to get this camera because it does automatically blur everything out in the background. Like, it focuses really quick. And, yeah. Like, oh, my God, it looks so amazing. Like, it's scary how good it looks. Like, I'm kind of scared and nervous. But you guys can see everything. Oh, my God, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Dad. Like, I can't wait for you to see the quality. It looks super cute. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. You guys let me know down below if you guys like this camera quality way better than the iPhone 8. And if you guys are ready to see new videos. I'll go ahead and comment down below. And let me know your thoughts.
I'm such an idiot. I was not recording that on my camera the whole time. I don't know why I thought I was. Yeah, I'm recording right now. Okay, so since I thought, because I literally thought I was recording, so funny, babe. I was like talking to this camera too, and I was like, yeah, and then I was like, wait, it's not even recording.
Oh, you're just seeing yourself?
Yeah, I was over there talking to freaking, to just this phone, to my phone. I'm recording right now.
That's so cool.
Where does the SD card even go? Because I don't know these kind of things.
Okay, finally, got that shit in there. Now let me go ahead and turn it on. So I went ahead and brought you guys back this way. And I'm recording right now on my camera. So now I can go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on my camera. Oh my god, it's really blurring out. So I watched this video and I'll go ahead and link it down below. But it's a video on this girl. She got the same camera as me. And I guess she had the same situation. She was using her iPhone to film her videos. So she went ahead and got the Sony... What is this called again? The Sony ZV-1. That's what it's called, sorry. Oh my god, I can't believe it's so like nice and clean. Like, yes. But yeah, she said that there is like a beauty setting on it. So you can change it from like low to medium to high. And it like basically like softens your skin and like it's basically like a filter. So I don't know if it's on or not, but yeah, I think it is, because this side, yeah, every time I move it like blurs out my pimples and stuff right here, like in my pores and all the lines. I'm just gonna go ahead and have to play with this camera a whole lot more and do my research and watch some more videos, but I can't wait for you guys to see my upcoming videos. I'm so excited to film for you guys. Just stay tuned. Thank you, Dad, for my camera. Thank you for everything. I love you so much. I love you guys. Please let me know in the comments down below how you guys feel about my new camera and the way it looks. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.